So today we're going to do a very quick and simple tutorial called Modern Suminagashi. You'll just need a few supplies and it'll be a blast. All right, let's get started. Suminagashi is a traditional Japanese art form. Sumi translates to ink and nagashi is floating. Suminagashi literally translates to floating ink. Supplies you will need to make modern Suminagashi are a cookie sheet or tray, paper or fabric, shaving cream, and food coloring. So now that we got our supplies, let's begin. Your first step will be to spray the shaving cream into your cookie sheet. You want to have enough to where it covers most of the tray. Next, you'll grab your food coloring. You want to do about 3 to 4 drops of each color in different areas. You won't need to have too much food coloring. I don't recommend more than 15 or 20 drops. Once you stir it around, the colors will spread. Now that I'm done adding my food coloring, I'm going to take a stick and stir around in my shaving cream, spreading the color from the food coloring. You can move your chopstick up and down, side to side, or even just swirl around to make different designs. Make sure you don't swirl too much though, because then you'll lose your pattern and it will just turn brown. Once you have a design you'll like, set your stick down and grab a sheet of paper, and all you'll need to do is just press it down into the shaving cream. Next, you will lift off your paper and scrape off any excess shaving cream with a card or just an extra scrap piece of paper. Now I'd like to show you how you can make a card out of a Suminagashi print. You'll take your paper, fold it in half and crease the side. Each time I make a print, I like to swirl around my design a little bit different so each print is unique. Now I'll take my blank card and set it into the shaving cream to get my second print. And voila, there's a beautiful card. You can also make Suminagashi prints on cotton fabric. Here I'm using a blue napkin. Once you clear off the excess shaving cream from your fabric, you'll want to iron it on a high setting to set the ink into the fabric. That will make the print permanent. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. Remember, you can email me your pictures at lepetitatelierNV@gmail.com or on Instagram at #lepetitatelier. Thanks for watching.